This is our project, Rareptiles. With the excitement and buzz around NFT art, NBA Top Shot, CryptoKitties, and non-fungible tokens in general, we want to direct the hype around NFTs into a space that isn't as popular currently. Our belief is that with the enthusiasm behind trading and collecting NFTs, we can bring awareness to problems such as decreased biodiversity and animal vulnerability. Enter Rareptiles, a digital collectible trading platform aimed to bring awareness to endangered species. These are the three aspects we decided to build our project around. Awareness. There's a big illicit reptile trade industry threatening many species. Another problem is decreased biodiversity on Earth, and it doesn't get much buzz in the news. Our project hopes to bring awareness to endangered species, reptiles in particular, and possibly emulate the collection of rare species without harming the real animals. Second aspect is donations. Because we are on the blockchain and dealing with money, we decided that a portion of every transaction will be donated to a charity that helps endangered species. The best part is, all our donations will be publicly available to be verified by users on the blockchain. Our third aspect is scarcity. We wanted to make it fun. In our contract, we have a set limit of each species depending on their conservation status. The more endangered they are, the more rare they are, and we're hoping to make collecting rare reptiles like a game, and in the process, users will learn more about the endangerment of these species. So let's see a demo. This is the Rareptiles website. Right now I'm on the shelter tab where we can adopt a reptile. These reptiles don't have a previous owner, so we can be the first one. There are different rarities depending on the conservation status. So someone like the pancake tortoise, who is critically endangered. There's also a little more information about him and conservative actions being taken in place, who is a little more rare than something like a Gallagher's gecko, which is common, costs 0.5. And so we will have the pancake tortoise have less quantity than the Gallagher's gecko. So let's adopt the pancake tortoise. Adopt, you'll see that it costs 2 to adopt, and so we'll confirm there. And close it. And so at the bottom left, you'll notice that we have total donations. Every transaction and adoption leads to donations. And so if we refresh the page, that should go up. Yep, there it is, 7.45. And now we're on the collections page where we have the collection of rare reptiles that you currently own. There's the pancake tortoise that I just adopted. And we can optionally sell any of the rare reptiles as well. So I'll try to sell the mugger. And so I will try to sell them for 15. Confirm. There it is. Close it, and then let's look at the marketplace. And the mugger is on there for 15. So I'm gonna go change accounts now and buy the mugger. Let's go to account 4, refresh, check the collection. And so this is account 4's collection. Go to the marketplace and buy the mugger, who will cost 15. So there we go, we went and bought it, and you'll notice that in the collection, let me just refresh it, there's mugger, and you'll also notice that the total donations went up, and that's because 5% of all transactions go to charities. And so yeah, that is our website. We built this project with Solidity, a programming language to write smart contracts, React for the front end with some CSS wizardry to make the animations, such as the shine and card flips, Web3, a JavaScript library to interact with the blockchain. We wrote a Python script to parse and filter data from an International Union for Conservation of Nature dataset. And lastly, we used Echo AR to view cards in augmented reality. Thank you for listening. There are some known issues about mining on the blockchain in that it consumes a lot of electricity. To combat this, we used lazy mining, only minting tokens when they are bought and never ahead of time. And in the future, we plan to move to alternative blockchain networks that are more efficient and consume less power. So here are some of our future plans, but the most exciting one is to actually deploy it. This isn't just a prototype. We could actually deploy this if only we had a couple Ethereum to pay for the contract creation. So if anyone is willing to donate a couple Ethereum, please contact us. Thank you for listening. Another cool feature we wanted to showcase was the ability to see some reptiles through augmented reality using Echo AR. The idea behind this feature would be to allow users to see the animal in real life. For the future, we would want these animals to be 3D and not just 2D pictures. So here's the QR code that you can scan to use it on your iPhone or Android.